Welcome to a quiz on farm animals by Team Birds Cradle. Question number 1. Which animal gives us milk? Option A, chicken. Option B, duck. Option C, cow. Option D, bear. The correct answer is option C, cow. Question number 2. What sound does a sheep make? Option A, moo. Option B, baa. Option C, cluck. Option D, neigh. The correct answer is option B, baa. Question number 3. Which farm animal has a curly tail? Option A, pig. Option B, horse. Option C, cow. Option D, goat. The correct answer is option A, pig. Question number 4. Which farm animal lays eggs? Option A, cow. Option B, horse. Option C, chicken. Option D, sheep. The correct answer is option C, chicken. Question number 5. What is the baby of a cow called? Option A, lamb. Option B, calf. Option C, kid. Option D, foal. The correct answer is option B, calf. Question number 6. Which farm animal is known for pulling plows? Option A, ox. Option B, pig. Option C, duck. Option D, goat. The correct answer is option A, ox. Question number 7. What color are most pigs? Option A, black. Option B, pink. Option C, white. Option D, brown. The correct answer is option B, pink. Question number 8. Which farm animal is often sheared for wool? Option A, cow. Option B, sheep. Option C, horse. Option D, chicken. The correct answer is option B, sheep. Question number 9. What is the name of a male chicken? Option A, hen. Option B, duck. Option C, rooster. Option D, goose. The correct answer is option C, rooster. Question number 10. Which farm animal is known for being very fast? Option A, duck. Option B, goat. Option C, horse. Option D, cow. The correct answer is option C, horse. Thanks for watching.